Hello, friend, and welcome to the 10-Minute Mind Shift Podcast. I'm your host, Janet Cagle, certified life coach, business strategist, and lover of all things related to up-leveling my life and yours. My goal is to help you experience a mind shift that gets you one step closer to your goals, whatever they are. My goal is not to keep you wrapped up in self-help all day, just 10 minutes. And who doesn't have 10 minutes, right? Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the podcast. This is episode 31. I'm just not a morning person. Let's face it, for some of us, mornings can be downright hard, downright intolerable at times. Many of my students and colleagues have the notion that they just aren't morning people. What are morning people anyway? The notion that you are a morning person or not is just a thought. Yep. And you are the one that gets to decide what you think about mornings. If you think they are hard, guess what? They are hard. I know from working with several people this year on their goals that starting first thing in the morning sounds like a great idea the night before. And then morning comes and the idea is not so great after all. Maybe you plan on getting up and hitting the gym or going for a run or reading or meditating or journaling. Maybe you just planned on getting an extra 30 minutes of professional development in or personal growth under your belt, and then the alarm goes off and you lost that loving feeling for that goal from the day before, and the day is off to a not so productive start. We can flip this script. It starts by working on your relationship with time, specifically the morning time. Just like every other relationship, your relationship with the morning time is your thoughts about the morning, and your thoughts are what is creating your experience in the morning. If you are talking about the morning time as something you don't like, or that it comes too soon, or that you really aren't good at it, guess what? That's exactly what you create. More mornings, like most mornings, getting a late start, feeling rushed, overwhelmed, and tired. You dread the start of the day, and that sets the tone for the entire day, my friends. As humans, we tend to wake up in scarcity. We tend to have immediate thoughts like, I didn't get enough sleep, or I slept too long and now I don't have enough time. I have so much to do and no time. We feel shortchanged of time in the very beginning of the day. Think back to a time when you ever woke up feeling energized and feeling like you had so little to do and so much time to do it in. Maybe vacation, right? I mean, maybe. We wake up in scarcity most days. We can blame it on not being a morning person, and we can blame not being a morning person on many factors, but the truth is there is only one reason: your thoughts. If you think that you are not a morning person, guess what? You aren't. If you think you are a morning person, guess what? You are. You either don't want to be a morning person, which is totally fine, by the way, or you need help managing your relationship with mornings and getting the most value out of your day. Either way, I can totally help. What is your relationship with mornings? Do you look forward to the start of the day, or do you dread it? Listen, you do not have to dread mornings for one more day if you don't want to. All right, my friends, I hope that you have the best week ever. And if you are ready to take this work to the next level, I would love to be your coach on this journey. Let's chat. That's a wrap of the 10-Minute Mind Shift Podcast. I hope that you were able to experience your own mind shift today. Listen, if you're ready to take this work to the next level, I highly recommend Life by Design Academy. It's my one-on-one coaching program that offers you a transformation at the speed of life.